Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
Hey there, fellow do-it-yourselfers and fixer-upper fans. Today marks the day we just achieved 1,000 subscribers.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Thanks for subscribing, all you early adopters here. So in the celebration, we got ourselves a little family-friendly bubbly here. You guys ready? Got a cup? Oh yeah! Woo! Come on! All right. So we're so thankful for you all. We appreciate your support. We hope you're enjoying the channel. We got lots more to come. Here's another great year of Rundown Reborn. Cheers! Thanks, everybody. Wonderful. So in celebration, we've got a little video here. So last Father's Day, the whole gang here, we all went to Pa's house. We had ourselves a little fishing expedition, and it turned out quite to be an event. Check this out.
Any cast that's not in the trees is a good cast.
Oh, something's tugging. Something's tugging on it.
And slow.
Oh, Frank's getting a fish, I believe. I think that's small. What? 2 fish? What?
Now that's ridiculous.
I got 2 fish! I got a bass and a bluegill!
I've never seen anybody catch a bass and a bluegill at the same time.
I got a small bass and a bluegill! That is...
One on the
That is insane!
Alright, thanks again. Appreciate your support. Be sure to come back. Check out all our new videos every week. Thanks again. We'll see ya. Bye, everybody.
Why did you do this?
Bye.